Hi guys, it's Christine from Sulwhasoo. Today I'm here to show you how to get an easy 4-step Korean skincare routine. Have you ever wondered why there are so many steps to a Korean skincare routine? Well, I'm here to break it down to you today. There's only 4 moments you need to remember: cleanse, hydrate, focus, and moisturize. What makes Korean skincare so unique are the innovations that elevate what can be expected or achieved by skincare. Complementary steps have been created to make each moment more complete and impactful. Let's get started. Double cleansing is a super important step that's often misunderstood. There's 2 different types of impurities: oil-based impurities, which includes SPF and makeup and excess sebum. Air-based impurities include your dirt and pollution that you get from every day just being outside. The first step to your double cleanse routine is an oil-based cleanser. An oil-based cleanser removes any oil-based impurities that your cleansing foam can't remove. That's why you also follow up with your cleansing foam that removes any air-based impurities. Right after double cleansing is First Care Activating Serum, our signature product. First Care at first step. First Care Activating Serum's ingredient complex JAM activator is the result of 3,900 formulas and 1,000 herbs, perfected by golden ratio. This unique post-cleanse serum is meant to be applied right after you cleanse your skin, even before any waters or toners. The formula targets 6 different visible signs of your skin, including hydration, brightness, radiance, and wrinkles. Sulwhasoo is the pioneer of this groundbreaking innovative step. Unlike traditional astringents, Korean toners, also known as waters, are meant to replenish hydration back to your skin. So this step is especially important right after you cleanse or exfoliate. The focus step is where you find serums. Serums intensely target visible concerns, including brightness and firming. The final moisture step is where you ensure your investment is protected. It can come in a moisturizer, it can be an eye cream, it can even be an overnight sleeping mask. A good moisturizer can have many different benefits. It can complement your serums, it locks in moisture, seals in your entire skincare routine, and also strengthens your skin's moisture barrier. Your moisture barrier is what protects your skin from environmental aggressors. It's what gives you that youthful, plump, and bouncy look to your skin. Environmental factors, sun, and lifestyle can all come together to weaken your moisture barrier over time, so it's important to strengthen it every day. Anyone can adjust their Korean skincare routine based on their needs or skin concerns. But first things first, First Care Activating Serum is the most important step to make sure your skin is balanced and glowing. If you're new to Sulwhasoo, our bestsellers trial kit is a great way to begin your journey. Thanks for joining me today. Hope it was helpful and you learned a lot about how to achieve your Korean skincare routine.